Hello! In front of me I have Umidigi URUN watch, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the button shortcut on this device. First, let me show you how to use the button shortcut, okay? So, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the upper button. And now to perform the button shortcut or use it, you need to press the lower button on the current watch face on the home screen. So if you press it on home screen, it will open some kind of application. For example, this open the timer. And we can customize this shortcut. We can assign different applications or actions to this button. To do it, we need to open the settings first. So let's press the upper button to open the menu, scroll down, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called key, this one, select it, and here we have different or list of different actions or applications we can assign for this button. So for example, I'm gonna select something like heart rate. Now I'm gonna go back to watch face, press the lower button, and it should open the heart rate widget, as you can see. And you can select any app or action from that list. And that's how you customize the button shortcut on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.